it's Roxanne Harris here, and this afternoon I want to teach you or show you a really amazing breakfast idea that you can prepare the night before, because this one does have to sit for at least an hour, but the benefits are well worth it. So this is going to be a matcha latte chia seed pudding. Now, chia seeds are phenomenal. Chia seeds are very high in a plant-based omega-3, which means it's mostly ALA. So because of that and because of the protein, it's very good for your body to use as a good protein source. Because it has natural fats in there, the protein is easier to absorb. We've got actually a very, very low caloric load in chia seeds because the majority of the carbs are actually fiber. So they're indigestible fiber, and it's just going to bulk up the stools and help with elimination. So when we are working on increasing metabolism and detoxification, chia seed pudding can be exceptional to help you with that. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is do our chia seed. Now I'm going to double the recipe. So usually it's 1/4 cup of chia seeds. So I'm actually going to do 1/2 cup because I'm going to double it. When I do chia seed pudding, I like to make a lot in advance because then it's going to last me for a week or so. I'm going to add a little bit more. The next thing is 3/4 cup of some type of almond milk or coconut milk. You can use water if you want. I like to use full fat cooking coconut milk. This is a secret that I learned in Vienna, actually. When I was going to Vienna, they were making the most amazing chia seed puddings, and I didn't know why mine didn't come up to their standard, but that's because they use a full fat milk. And I'm actually going to use 1 whole can. I do like the Thai version just because it's extra creamy. It's really good, but you can use any that you like, or you can definitely use a drinking coconut milk, okay? So that has way less fat. I personally like the extra fat as part of my chia seed pudding because I'm always looking for high quality sources of fat in my diet. So for me, I doubled the recipe. I'm going to post the recipe as well. So 1/2 cup of chia seeds, a whole can of coconut milk, and I added just about an extra tablespoon to accommodate for the extra amount of liquid that I'm going to put in that. We're also going to use about 4 tablespoons of maple syrup. I don't like mine too sweet, so I'm going to be a little bit shy on that. And then as well, we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla, my beautiful vanilla from St. Martin, and get that stirring up there. Okay. And then, we're going to add the matcha. So if you're not familiar with matcha, matcha is a pulverized, brand new baby green tea leaf. And you're drinking the whole thing. So it's not just tea leaves, but you're actually drinking the powder. I buy mine in bulk from a local Japanese lady who goes to Japan, and she imports in high quantities. So we're looking for about 2 teaspoons of matcha powder. Now, matcha is very strong, and matcha powder should be made in suspension, okay? So you're always whisking it. If you don't like green tea and you've tried matcha and you don't care for it, it's probably because you boiled the tea, or the water. When you boil the water, it actually burns the delicate tea leaves and it gives it a nasty flavor. So matcha is really good at increasing metabolism. It increases metabolism by 22%. It also is very good for helping to eliminate. You're going to get some good bowel movements from that. So the matcha latte chia seed pudding is going to help you increase your metabolism. It's going to help with eliminating toxins and elimination. It tastes super, super good, and it really has a low caloric load. So it's about 300 calories. So when you do the recipe time, double the recipe, you've got 4 servings. So it's 300 calories if you do it the way that I did. If you're using just water or some light version, maybe an almond milk or something, is going to be different than that. And then I'm just going to add just a tiny bit of water to this. Just because I can tell that I need a little bit more liquid. So I'm going to post a recipe for you. This is something you can make the night before. You can have so much fun with the chia seed puddings, all different flavors available. You could go ahead and add some cacao bliss for a chocolate matcha latte chia seed pudding. I'm going to put in a couple of drops of wild orange because I love the orange with the chia seed and the matcha. So there you have it. Make your own matcha latte chia seed pudding, great for breakfast, but also wonderful for a post-workout snack. This has been Roxanne Harris inspiring you guys. Engage with your wellness and create your own beautiful life. Have a great day. Oh, you want to leave this in the fridge for at least an hour or overnight. All right? Have a good day.